wash our clothes. This is the way we wash our clothes. So early Monday morning. This is the way we iron our clothes. Iron our clothes, iron our clothes. This is the way we iron our clothes. So early Tuesday morning. This is the way we scrub the floor. Scrub the floor, scrub the floor. This is the way we scrub the floor. So early Wednesday morning. This is the way we mend our clothes. Mend our clothes, mend our clothes. This is the way we mend our clothes. So early Thursday morning. This is the way we sweep the floor. Sweep the floor, sweep the floor. This is the way we sweep the floor. So early Friday morning. This is the way we make our bread. Make our bread, make our bread. This is the way we make our bread. So early Saturday morning. This is the way we go to church. Go to church, go to church. This is the way we go to church. So early Sunday morning.
Wash. Glue.